Governor of Tripura. Excellency.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is a very great honor to stand here today and speak in front of you all on this special occasion. The Student Schools Felicitation Program. Today is a day of celebration, a day to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of students, teachers and staff. Every school holds its felicitation celebrations on a specified date, typically to honor its students and their dedication, as well as to serve as a forum for them to felicitate them. Students who performed well and showcase their strong talents at annual examinations felicitated to today as a mark of their efforts in academics and recognition of the achievements of students and staff. I am filled with a sense of pride and gratitude for all that all these children have accomplished in the past year. Netaji Subhash Vidyaniketan is dedicated to providing its students with a well-rounded education that helps them grow both academically and personally. The school's goal is to equip with each and every student with the skills, knowledge and confidence to succeed in their future endeavors. In the past few years, many students achieved great things and now they become proud employees in Pan India. And some of them are here only. I think you all excel in the classroom, demonstrating your knowledge and creativity. Hope you all participated in a wide range of extracurricular activities, from sports and music to debate and community service. Because of these activities, you got distinction, and we are proud of your accomplishments.